Today in this video, we will be learning about the practical use case of cryptocurrency. What is cryptocurrency? Not only Bitcoin. Most of the people know that cryptocurrency is Bitcoin or Bitcoin is cryptocurrency. Many coins out there are present which uses consensus mechanism different from Bitcoin or Ethereum. What is coin and what is token? We will be learning about those terminologies, what are the differences between them, and what are the actual use cases for them. Cryptocurrency. What is blockchain? It's Bitcoin, right? No, it's not. You need to stop this. Like money, a cryptocurrency is a medium of exchange. Well, not many people use it for exchange currently, but its main underlying purpose is to become a medium of exchange. However, the cryptocurrency is virtual or digital, meaning that there is no physical coin or bill that owners of the currency possesses. Like a dollar bill, there isn't any bill. Like a cent coin, there isn't any physical coin for cryptocurrencies. The crypto part of its name comes from the fact that it uses cryptography to secure and verify transactions. We will learn more about cryptography, the private and public keys, verifying transactions in the next videos. Let's talk about the difference which no one else is talking about. What is the difference between coin and a token? Most of the people quite often interchangeably use coin and token. The term crypto coin and token are truly interchangeable. No, they are not interchangeable. In reality, there are some differences. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Neo, these all are some of examples of coins as they operate on their own blockchain networks. You heard it correct. That's absolutely true. Bitcoin has its own network, its own separate network. Ethereum has its own separate network as well. Same goes with Neo too. Digital coins are generally used in the same way as a real life coin, just like money. Tokens are created on existing blockchains like ERC20 on Ethereum and EP5 on Neo in the coming video. What is a utility token? Utility tokens, often called DApp coins or user tokens, provide users with future access to a product or a service. Like you went to a phone booth and you made a call to your friend. How do you make a call to your friend using a phone booth? You put some coins, some cents. In the same way, we use utility tokens to access a product or a service. Through utility token ICOs, startups can raise capital to fund the development of their blockchain projects. Users can purchase future access to that service, sometimes at a discount of the finished product's ticker price. That's how ICOs generally work. They raise the money when you go ahead and buy the coins. That's how they raise the money. They're used as an exchange for service or to buy a service. Utility tokens are not designed as investments. However, many people contribute to utility token ICOs. They have this hope that the value of tokens will increase as demand for the company's product or services increases. Here comes another token, which is store value. It can be a coin or a token, although majority of the store values are coins. A store of value is the function of an asset that can be saved, retrieved, and exchanged at later time. It can be predictably useful when retrieved. The most common store of value in modern times has been money, currency, or a commodity like a precious metal or financial capital. So any tokens that can act as a store value are store value coin or tokens. In our next video, we will be learning about how to create a simple decentralized application.